Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I hope you're having a wonderful day, inshallah. Today is a following episode of the PostgreSQL series, and today I'm going to teach about the comparison operator in SQL. The comparison operator is used to compare values in a word clause of a select, update, delete, or similar statement. This operator allows us to specify conditions for retrieving or manipulating data based on a certain criteria. Now, with this brief explanation, let's go to the demonstration. Inside of our database, I'm going to be showing you in just quick basic examples in how to use the comparison operator. Let's say select is 1 equal to 1. This is the equal operator. This should return true. As you can see, this returns true. The comparison operators are based on Boolean and values in return. They are either true or false. Now let's say select is not equal to 1. This is the not equal operator. They should return false, as you can see. Let's say select it's 2 greater than 1. This will be true. Now let's do less is 2 less than 1. This is false. Let's say it is 3 equal or greater than, let's say, 3. This should be true. Now let's do 4 and 2. This is as well true, and because 3 is greater than 2. Now let's try is 3 less or equal than 2. This should return false, as you can see. And these are just the basic usages of these operators. Now let's go to the more advanced ways in how to use the comparison operators. Let's do a select from the table employee. Okay, this is all the data that we have here inside our employee table. Okay, now let's say that we want to select all the users where the department is engineering. Let's do the following. Select, let me zoom in first name from employee where and department is equal to engineering. Now let's execute. As you can see, this is all the employees: John, Michael, William, Oliver, Sophie, and Alexander. Now show me where they are not equal engineering. Let's also go select like the department as well, so it's more visible. Department is not equal engineering. So as you can see, this is the departments here that are not engineering: IT, design, quality assurance, management, so on and so forth here. What else we can do here inside? Let's query the employees that are in date of birth are greater than than 1990. Let's do this one. Let's let's zoom in, select again, and first name and date of birth, but I scrolled it wrong. From employee, where date of birth is greater, let's say, than 1990. Let's say this works. Let's press enter. This is wrong. Let's query again all the data here. 90. Let's use this value here. Let's copy here. Line. Let's press enter. Oh, my apologies. I say equal. I meant greater. So yeah, these are all the employees that are, well, I can say, younger, from 1990, from the year 1990. Let's query back again all the employees, and let's say for salary, and where salary is less than let's say then 85k. Let's select first name, no date of birth, let's say position, and also the salary. From employee, and let's say where salary is less than 85k. So yeah, these are and employees where their salary is less than 85k. Do we have something else to show here? Now let's say in less or equal. So this now is going to include in the employees that have a salary of 85k. Let's say let's execute the command. So yeah, this Ahmed, network engineer, got a salary of 85k, the only one. Now let's do for where is. Now where is equal or greater. Let's execute. And these are all of the other employees where their salary are greater or equal than 85k. Something else to show here? Nope, this is everything. I hope that this tutorial has been of valuable to you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the like button, and share with your family members or friends if they also find this tutorial valuable. I will see you the next time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.